Welcome to Tally Help videos. In this video, you will understand the process of identifying the top cost centers. Consider that you have created cost centers for members of a sales team in your organization and you want to know the highest performers in a specific period. Let's see how to do it. Press Alt+G. Type or select dashboard and press Enter. Press Alt+A. Type top cost centers, select the tile and press Enter. Select the cost category. By default, primary cost category is selected. For instance, let's select the cost category Sales Professionals and press Enter. By default, the tile shows the top 5 sales professionals represented as cost centers. Press Alt+C and specify the number of cost centers to display. Let's consider that you want to view the top 10 sales professionals. Enter 10 here and press Ctrl+A to save the configuration. You can now see the top 10 sales professionals. Similarly, you might have created cost centers for different departments in your business and even zones in your business, such as North, South, East, and West zones. You can easily add the top cost centers tile with the required cost category. Thereafter, you can view the top cost centers with the values. Thank you. To know more about TallyPrime features, visit help.tallysolutions.com. Subscribe to the Tally Solutions channel for the latest videos.